After the 2024 Lok Sabha elections in India, Telecom and Jio are expected to increase their tariff rates according to an analyst report by Antique Stock Broking. This anticipated rise term imminent could see prices hike by 15 to 17%. Bharti Airtel is projected to benefit the most from this, potentially increasing its average revenue per user significantly. The question stands, how far is this aimed at? Hi everybody. Despite challenges in its chosen 5G rollout path, Airtel subscriber base and growth are predicted to remain largely unaffected. The report also highlights how Airtel and Jio have been gaining market share over the last 5.5 years, notably at the expense of Vodafone Idea and BSNL, with Jio being the biggest beneficiary, increasing its market share from 21.6% to 39.7% during this period. As per the saying, this anticipated rise, term imminent, could see prices hike by 15 to 17%. Let us know as to how. The anticipated rise in telecom prices post the 2024 Lok Sabha elections can be explained from a financial perspective through various factors. Number one is demand-supply dynamics. If demand for telecom services remain relatively constant or increase while the supply remains constrained or increases at a slower pace, telecom operators can leverage this dynamic to justify price hike. With growing digitalization and increasing reliance on telecommunications, demand for data and connectivity is likely to remain strong. Number 2 is cost pressure. Telecom operators faced various costs including spectrum fees, network infrastructure maintenance and employee salaries. If these costs rise, operators may pass some of the burden on to consumers through price hike. For example, spectrum auction prices in India have been increasing over the years, contributing to cost preferences for telecom services. Number 3 is investment in technology. Telecom companies continuously invest in upgrading their network to offer faster and more reliable services. The rollout of 5G technology, for instance, requires significant investment. To recoup these investments and maintain profitability, operators may adjust their pricing strategies. Ahead, the question that stands out as a particularly insightful and pivotal for understanding the strategic landscape of the telecom industry would be, what competitive strategies did Airtel and Jio employ to differentiate themselves from their competitors? Airtel and Jio employed several competitive strategies to differentiate themselves from their competitors in the telecom industries as follows. Number 1 is aggressive pricing and value proposition, for which we have is Jio's free voice calls and data offer. When Jio entered the market in 2016, it disrupted the telecom industry by offering free voice calls and deeply discounted data plans for the extended period. Jio's welcome offer and Jio Happy New Year offer provided customers with unlimited voice calls and high-speed data at significantly lower prices compared to competitors. This aggressive pricing strategy attracted millions of subscribers to Jio's network, compelling competitors like Airtel to revise their tariff plans to remain competitive. Number 2 is focus on network infrastructure and quality, for which we have is Airtel's 4G network expansion. Airtel invested heavily in expanding its 4G network infrastructure to provide faster internet speeds and better coverage across India. Airtel's extensive network expansion initiatives included the deployment of additional cell towers, upgrading existing infrastructure, and investing in advanced technologies like carrier aggregation. As a result, Airtel was able to offer reliable 4G services to customers in both urban and rural areas, enhancing its competitive position in the market. Number 3 is innovative service offerings, for which we have is Jio's digital entertainment platform. Jio diversified its offerings beyond traditional telecom services by launching digital entertainment platforms such as Jio TV and Jio Cinema. These platforms provided customers with access to a wide range of digital content, including TV channels, movies, TV shows, music, all available through Jio app. By bundling digital entertainment services with its telecom plan, Jio created additional value for customers and strengthened its brand appeal, especially among younger demographics. Number 4 is strategic partnership and acquisition, for which we have is Airtel's acquisition of Tickona Digital Network. In 2017, Airtel acquired Ticona Digital Network 4G business, including its wireless broadband spectrum and infrastructure assets in several key markets across India. This strategic acquisition allowed Airtel to strengthen its presence in the broadband segment and expand its 4G network coverage in regions where Ticona had a strong presence. By integrating Ticona's asset into existing network infrastructure, Airtel was able to enhance its broadband offerings and compete more effectively with rivals like Jio. And number 5 is focus on customer experience, for which we have is Airtel Thanks Program. Airtel introduced the Airtel Thanks Program, a loyalty reward program designed to enhance the overall customer experience and provide additional benefits to consumers. Under the Airtel Thanks Program, customers were offered exclusive deals, discounts, and rewards, including access to premium content from partners like Amazon Prime Video and Netflix. By prioritizing customer satisfaction and offering value-added benefits, Airtel aimed to increase customer loyalty and reduce churn rate in a highly competitive market segment. Hope you liked the video. Let's unlock together your full potential and achieve remarkable success in the world of business. If you are new to the channel, do like, share and subscribe for more such content related to business and finance. Till then, goodbye everyone.